Hello everyone. Today it's been pretty standard. I've been working on this physics engine. I've actually got it all connected together, all wired up, so to speak. And now it's just a question of fixing all the little problems that are going to be in the code. But it's the first step. Something's actually happening, something's actually working. So I'm very happy with that. This evening I went to board games, and that was really fun. Tried a few new ones. Tried some which I'd tried before. But it's nice, and there's new people every week, which is quite refreshing. And yeah, that's been me. Not much else to say, so hope you've had a good day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.